Welcome to Season 3 of the Holloway America Staff Interviews. We bring you this season as our third installment in a series of hopefully an ongoing series that will last for many years to come. And the planning for this actually began during COVID when we couldn't get on site to go see our customers. It was important for us to actually get our stories out there, so our Season 1 really focused on our sales team, our upper management, and our project managers. During Series 2, or Season 2, we focused on people on our engineering and quality assurance staff. Now finally Season 3 is upon us. In Season 3, we really wanted to focus and show you the people behind the scenes. Our welders, our grinders, our fabricators, our machinists, all of the products that come off our floor are made by the fabricators that you'll see in these videos. It's synonymous with quality, it's synonymous with the passion that they have in their jobs, and you will see that in these videos about their family, their faith, and the fun that they have behind the scenes. This project was important to Holloway because we wanted to showcase our most valuable resource, our most valuable asset, which is our people. We've said that in previous videos, that our people make the difference. As Dave Simpson would say, the human element of our company. That's what makes our company so special. It's the bond that we have with our coworkers, with our associates. And I've asked our associates not to talk about the company. I've asked our associates to talk about themselves and what gets them up in the morning. Thank you so much for your continued support, and we really look forward to sharing the Season 3 stories with you.